Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori for those of you who are brand new here, and first off I want to tell you welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am doing a bunch of unboxings. They're all BOXYCHARM. I did the Boxy Premium, I did the Boxy Base Box, and that was my daughter's, and I forgot you guys, but it was Boxy Luxe last month, September 2020, and unfortunately I didn't get mine until October 6th. So here we go. The Boxy Luxe is approximately $53.86, and that's everything that comes out of your bank account when all is said and done. So this replaces your BOXYCHARM base box every other month. Well, you know, about every third month. So there you go. There's Boxy Luxe. It's the black. Okay. If you remember, what did I get in my Boxy Luxe? I got some pretty cool stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my reels, and it pretty much kind of went a little bit fast. I did that for a reason, and that's because I wanted to unbox here on YouTube and let you see it a little bit more in detail here. So I kind of flew over the products a little, but it came with a pretty cool song. So head on over there and go check it out. All right, the first item is by Persona, and it is just a simple lip gloss. This is a company I'm not familiar with. Maybe I am, and it's just not ringing any bells. You know what I mean? Sometimes they do that. Persona. This is that pretty color, kind of an ember, burnt terracotta, kind of. And obviously, I've been into this. Right, and then from Milk Makeup, see what I got here. And I'm going to try to go through these pretty quick because a lot of you guys that are diehards and follow the BOXYCHARM unboxings, you guys have zero patience. That's all I'm going to say. You guys have zero patience and you drive me nuts. But I love having you guys. So you guys are always welcome. Anyway, here we go. This is the Milk. Look how pretty. I love this. This purple is gorgeous. Oh, what is it? I don't know. It's melatonin overnight serum. I love these little milk that come in the these packages that look like, you know, like deodorant. It's kind of what they remind me of. How pretty. That lilac. Like, I'm just seriously trying to get this one out of the way because nobody really cares about it anymore. This is, again, Boxy Luxe for September 2020. Came to me in October, and everybody is past it. It's like yesterday's news. It's lining the cat box. People have it in the bird cages. No one's interested. And then you have by Billion Dollar Beauty. This is their, I think it's a charcoal. It's the beauty blender. It's the charcoal, right? It's the charcoal infused beauty sponge that provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, and highlighter. This one was actually kind of cool. The color, just dull, you know, gray. It's not a dense sponge. It's not a overly soft sponge. It's right in the middle, and that kind of feel I like. I don't like the real hard sponges. I do not like the extra soft. I like this. That's just right there. It's perfect. It's perfect. By Fenty Beauty, or Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Kilowatt, and it's the Freestyle Highlighter in the color Metal Moon. There it is. Not like anybody really cares what the box looks like. This thing was a pain in the butt to open. See that iridescent, can you see that dancing purple? See that iridescent color? Okay. It's got the little protector. Does have, oh, look, see, can you see that? You see me there? Okay. It has the little mirror. Nice full mirror. I do like the full mirror on the cap. And then here we go. This is Metal Moon. It's a highlighter. And it's not there's no dancing colors or anything in it. When you look at it, is there any iridescent? Do you see any of that purple, blue, any of that kind of metallic looking rainbow color? Nothing. It's just a bland white. I did get by Pharmacy the Cheer Up, the cherry one. Doesn't smell like cherries. Oh, good. Air conditioner kicked on. Oop. So, like I said, nothing special. I did get the brushes by Pure. And this is, I think it's 8, the complete, the Complexion Authority. And this one, I believe, has 8. It's a travel. They're all travel size. Comes with the little, you know, the top. So, set them side by side. Here's the ones that you're going to use. And then after you get done using them, so you know which ones you did use and which ones you need to clean afterwards. Okay, and then last but not least, well, we have one more. It's Hipdot, and this is the eyeshadow palette. It's got the nice little sleeve on it. It's by Zion. Well, the name of the palette is Zion. And it's the pressed pigment palette. Just one look at Utah's sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Connect with these sweeping canyons through the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. So this makes a whole heck of a lot of sense. Very pretty, right? All this, the marbling. Look at these colors. Beautiful, right? Look at those purples. I know they want to say orange, deep orange and reds. Well, yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Very pretty. Anyway, last product in my box is 111, the 111 Skin, and these are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks, and there are 5. Was there 5 of them or 6? 5. In the little box. Or actually, I'm not going to open it up. I'm just letting you know there's 5 of them in here. I don't know what is in these face masks that I'm going to use one time that they think is going to make such a huge difference that when I'm done using it and can't afford to buy 5 more of these or another box, my face is going to go back to normal. If it does something miraculous, which I highly doubt it will. But you never know. If it does, I'll let you know. All right, you guys, that's everything that I got. I'm going to have the total box value for you somewhere, you know, right here on the bottom of the screen. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I do have Chic Beauty showed up today as well. Today is Wednesday, the 7th of October. And that's all I got for you today. Now, thank you very much to all you new guys that have joined me here today for this video. Please hit that subscribe button over there, the red one, and then right beside it is the little bell. About it, I'm not somebody that downloads 15, 20 videos a week. Okay, so I'm not gonna be ding, 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 but I do put some pretty good videos out there if you like unboxings. That's pretty much it. So until some more boxes come in, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.